This is a tutorial on the two-part 4/4 marching tune, Boys of the Old Brigade. Lovely old traditional marching tune. This tune might feel a little bit slow when you get into it, and I mention that because you really need to be careful to maintain a nice steady 4/4 beat in here and not accelerate. A lot of pipers, when they learn this tune, especially when they're learning it with other 4/4 marching tunes, they tend to accelerate because somehow the tune feels too slow. And so they want to push forward and make it faster, and it's you just want to maintain the beat. So let me go ahead and play it at a nice, easy, slow tempo. There's not a lot of technique in the setting that I play. You encounter a couple of E doublings, a couple of D throws, some F doublings, some high G doublings, and one single burl at the end of the first line, but that's really it. So it's very straightforward that way. And again, the main thing is to maintain a nice steady beat as you play through it. So here we go, nice, steady, easy tempo. 1, 2, 3. So you'll notice I took a breath at the end of each part. You might want to take a breath at the end of each line. So it's up to you and up to your own, how your practice chanter is set up with an easier or harder read and what your blowing capacity is at this point. The only technical issue you might run into a little bit of difficulty with in the tune are these eighth note runs that occur in the middle of each of the first two lines. So it occurs twice in the first part, and that looks like this, sounds like this. So G, F, E, D, B, and so you're making that jump from D down to B. So here it is in context. And then in the second line, or the second half of the first part, you're playing. So really exactly the same thing twice, and just be aware that you've got that little rundown. But that, again, that's really the only sort of technical passage in the tune. The rest of it is a lot of fairly held notes, and the main thing is to maintain that nice steady beat and not try and speed it up. So I'm going to play it a little more up-tempo, a little faster, just to give you an idea of the flow of the tune. 1, 2, 3. And when I played it just there, I did take a breath at the end of each line, so it's optional. It's a great tune, pairs well with other tunes in 4/4 sets. Again, not to overemphasize it, just be aware that it feels slow, so keep a nice steady beat, try not to accelerate as you work on it.